Guys, I am so excited to tell you that I finally found a teeth whitener that works and doesn't make my teeth sensitive, okay? I'm so happy. My teeth look so white. Okay? So excited. Hi, I'm so excited for today's video. Today I want to show you guys the new teeth whitening system that I've been using. It's called Hismile. It's a whole teeth whitening kit. For me, I want my teeth to be whiter because when I had braces, I had so many calcium deposits and like all these little marks on my teeth, and my teeth just naturally don't have good enamel. If I have something that's like dark colored, my teeth can stain very easily. I've been wanting a teeth whitening system or like to go to the dentist and get it done for so long now, and I tried the Hismile and it's so good. So basically, like, my teeth are really sensitive, so in the past I did the Zoom whitening at the dentist and it made my teeth like have little sharp pains and really sensitive. And then I've also tried other brands like little white strips. They've never worked for me, but this kit really worked. I'm super excited. So when you get the kit, I personally love this. So when I got this, I was obsessed with the packaging. To me, this looks like when you get like your brand new iPhone in the box. It's like super sturdy and it opens like this. So in the kit, you will get 3 tubes of teeth whitener. This, you can use each tube for 2 uses. So this is for 6 days. And you get this card. So the card that came in the box for me, it shows shades 1 through 12 of your teeth. So I used this with like, took a photo and saw how my teeth were and then what shade I could get to, like which the light is. So my teeth went from shade 4 to shade 2. I would like to get them whiter, so I'm going to continue to use it. The thing I liked about this kit is that it only takes 10 minutes because normally any other teeth whitening system takes 30 minutes, and I like don't have patience for that. I don't care if I could sit there on my phone. Like, I just don't want to sit there for 30 minutes. I'm scared of them getting sensitive the longer I keep them on. But with this kit, I just kept it on for 10 minutes and it worked. The biggest results I saw was after the first use, and then it just gradually got lighter after that. The first time you use it, your teeth will be whiter right afterwards, but I noticed the next morning they're even whiter. I personally like to do this at night right after my skincare routine and just kind of like have it as a part of my routine so that I don't forget. So I like the fact that you only have to do it for 6 days and it's only 10 minutes each day and then you're done. And then basically you can do it like once every 2 weeks to kind of like maintain it. Or for me, I want to do longer than 6 days my next time doing it because I just want to get them like super white and then like keep them that way. So in the past, I got teeth whiteners off of Amazon and I used one, I can't think of the name, but I used one, and when you got the little mouth tray, you had to put it in boiling water to like form it to your teeth right away. This one, you don't have to do that. It's so easy. They also came out with a smaller mouth tray. So the smaller mouth tray sticks to your teeth a little better, ensuring that the bleach gets on there and you don't have to like make this custom, dip it in water, nothing. Like, you just pop it in. I love that the mouth guard attaches to the blue light system so that you don't have to hold the little light on there when you're bleaching. That's what I had to do in the past. I really love that. So they just attach and then you put it in and hold for 10 minutes and the light goes off when it's done. So the first time I tried it, it worked really well. But then a month later, they came out with a new gel formula. So it works a lot better. To me, I saw that the teeth bleach worked a lot quicker than the other one. I saw the results faster in the first and second and third time I used it, as opposed to the first time. I saw big results in the beginning and then a gradual change. So the new teeth bleach, it happens to work like a lot quicker, a lot stronger, and still my teeth are so sensitive and I had no issues with it. That's what I was really scared of in trying something new, because my teeth just tend to like hurt no matter what. If I drink something cold and then hot, they are really sensitive. I did notice with the bleach that I get the little white marks from where I had braces. They're just like decalcification marks, but those went right away the next morning. Also, the teeth bleach comes with the little screw-on cap. So this way air doesn't get in it, because if air gets into the bleach, it tends to not work as well. That happened to me in the past. So sometimes people like to also keep them in the fridge, which I've done too. It works really well. So the difference between the old kit and the new kit is just the size of the mouth tray. Having the smaller mouth tray, it just makes it more effective. Sometimes with the bigger ones, if you have smaller teeth or a smaller mouth, it can sometimes miss some of the teeth. So this way, it just really gets in all the little crevices and gets all your teeth super white, even the back ones. That's something that I really love because sometimes, I don't know why, they act like you just have 6 front teeth and you don't want the ones in the back white. I don't know why other companies do that. It's so annoying. So this way, all your teeth get white on the surface. So if you have a big smile, and the back ones are white too. I just like to keep this a part of my skincare routine at night just for the week that I'm using it because it makes it so much easier. In the mornings, I feel like if you did this and then you ate something, say it was like something red or something dark, it would kind of like absorb onto your teeth. So I prefer doing this at night, and then when you wake up the next morning, you see even better results. I personally love the new formula and the new mouth guard more than the original one I tried from them. This one is so good. Like, I just really see fast results and it never hurts my teeth. So I think that's the biggest thing. Like, you don't want to do something and look good but then be in pain all week, and then every time you have something hot your teeth hurt. Like, I just hate that. So I just love this one. I would recommend the teeth whitening kit and also their pink toothpaste. It is so cute. Like, who doesn't want pink toothpaste? And I love that it tastes like spearmint instead of peppermint because I prefer spearmint, and just makes your mouth feel like so fresh. And they also have like an on-the-go teeth whitening pen that works so well, and a little mouth spritzer. So like if your breath stink, you can fix it on the go. And also they have a day to night charcoal toothpaste, so those will maintain keeping up your white teeth as well. It looks so good. See, you need this in your life. It's so good, so get it. Now I'm going to show you how to use the teeth whitening kit. I like to do this at night right after my skincare routine. I take all my makeup off, I do my skincare, and then I pop this in. First, you just open the box. You have your card, so you want to take your before photo with this card, hold it up to your teeth and see what level you're at. Then you just take out the blue light and take out the mouth guard. You want to attach this, super easy, boom, boom. You just snap it in. Make sure you pull out this tab, it activates the battery to turn it on. Then you'll just pull one tube out. You want to unscrew the tip. Here are the measurements. So this is what I was talking about. This black line, that's one usage. So between that, you split it. So you just use up to this line. So for the first application, you'll use this part for the bottom tray and this part for the top tray. So all you do is press and go around the tray like this. Then make sure you put the cap back on. This will make sure that the bleach stays really strong. And then I just like to pop mine back in the box because it's so cute. All you do is put it in your mouth, press this button, and for 10 minutes you just chill, watch some TV, scroll on your phone, do whatever it is you want to do. The time flies by so quick. When your 10 minutes are up, the light will turn off. All you do is pop it out. I like to rinse all the bleach off. You can even take your toothbrush and make sure all the bleach is gone from the little crevices. I just take my toothbrush with water on it and scrub my teeth and make sure all the bleach is gone. And then you're done. And you can take your after picture now, or you can take it in the morning and see your full results. I'm obsessed. So white, so good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited to tell you guys about this because I've been looking for a good teeth bleach for so long. I was gonna go to my dentist and see what he could do, but I got this kit and I'm so excited about it. It makes my teeth so white. You have to get this. It's so good. So I'll leave all the information down below where you guys can get this. I will link the teeth bleaching kit for you and also the toothpaste that I love. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and leave me a comment down below if you're planning on purchasing the teeth bleach. I would love to know if you had good results like me with it. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.